Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how you can allow microphone and camera access in Messenger on your PC. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into the process. First of all, open the Messenger app on your PC. Once the inbox loads up, click on the three-dot icon from the top bar. Then, click on App Settings from this menu. After that, click on See Permission Details for www.messenger.com from the Permission sections. Here, you'll find the microphone and camera permissions. Click on the box next to them and select Allow. Now, close this window and you are set. So, that's it guys. That's how you allow microphone and camera access in Messenger on your PC. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. And if you want more content like this one, subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care!